did not sow. Prospero burns in silence and screams, dust of our fathers, ash of our dreams. We were the seekers, the damned, the wise. Now we are ghosts beneath scarlet skies. Prospero burns, no mercy, no plea. Knowledge in chains, bound for eternity. In ruin we stand, betrayed and alone. The fire has claimed us. This was our home. Libraries crumble into the void. Every truth we held destroyed. Scrolls like ashes in the wind. Punish not for what we did, but for the thoughts within our mind. A crime no blade could ever find. Magnus calls, but fate is sealed. Even gods are forced to kneel. We saw the threads we tried to warn, now drowned beneath the world reborn. Prospero burns in silence and screams, dust of our fathers, ash of our dreams. We were the seekers, the damned, the wise. Now we are ghosts beneath scarlet skies. Prospero burns, no mercy, no plea. Knowledge in chains, bound for eternity. In ruin we stand, betrayed and alone. The fire has claimed us. This was our home. Is this justice or blind decree? Were we wrong to simply see? The truth is fire, the truth is pain, the truth is all that will remain. All is dust. All is dust. Hear the wolves at the gates. Hear the end of all things. We are broken. We are torn from enlightenment to scorn. Prospero burns, let the cosmos weep. Secrets buried, we swore to keep. The light is gone, the future undone. Our final chapter has just begun. Prospero burns, but we endure through curse like silent snow on the world we used to know. In ruins glow our legacy, a warning carved in tragedy. No songs remain, no voices call, just hollow winds through empty halls. The stars look down, but do not mourn. A silent grave where we were born. Our truth is lost in dying light, buried beneath eternal night. If wisdom was our only sin, let us remember what we've been.